Joining us in some of the most crucial moments, many people need a blood transfusion.
Recently, there have been people not wanting that help due to the COVID vaccine. Channel 8's Macy Meyer talked with an expert today to answer some of your questions.
Those skeptical of the COVID-19 vaccine have new concerns, this time when it comes to blood transfusions. People have been declining medically advised transfusions and asking for blood only from the unvaccinated.
The vast majority of patients understand the value of a transfusion, and the last thing they should be worried about is whether or not the donor has been vaccinated.
Gorlin says there have been at least 100,000 studies done by the Mayo Clinic that blood from a vaccinated person wouldn't give you the vaccine, but rather the antibodies that would actually help you.
Fear is medically warranted from donations where the donor has either had COVID or been vaccinated.
In fact, he said a big concern from those who don't want to be vaccinated is that they will get it secondhand from a blood transfusion. But that's simply not true. The mRNA in the vaccine will not be transferred.
We certainly don't need to worry about any adverse effects from the vaccine. mRNA disappears incredibly rapidly. So the vaccine is not floating free in the blood. It just doesn't last very long.
Gorlin says everyone has the right to refuse a medical treatment recommended by doctors, but he said it's important for people to know, vaccinated or not, that blood has the potential to save you. On top of that, your doctor doesn't know who donated the blood, so there is no way to identify a vaccinated versus unvaccinated donation.
We couldn't label the blood even if we wanted to, or if the FDA allowed us to. How blood is labeled is very strictly labeled according to FDA rules and regulations.
Reporting in Lincoln for Nebraska's trusted news source, I'm Macy Meyer.
And Gorlin said there are more than 10 million blood transfusions a year and they constantly save lives. So it's important to make sure you research before you decline one.